You should put on speaker. Capture every.
Shit, it was 99 cents.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. The person you are calling is not available. At the tone, please record your message.
Hello, this is Trevor from the front desk. We're going to need you guys to give us a call up here at reception. We've received several noise complaints. Several noise complaints. And listen, it's trying to be a relaxed cruise. We got elderly people and babies. You're keeping everybody up all hours of the night. It's just really not our style here on NCL. So we're going to need you guys to shut the fuck up.
Shut up.
I don't know what I just did.
Oh, we good. What?
Video end.